Hey there, Hanson DK. Had a question about some threads here, so I thought I'd go through and kind of show you what's going on. So we got our external thread here, M10 1.5 6G, and you got your major, pitch, minor, and here it is. So this is the actual calculation that you're going to get from the engineering books. So I just kind of went through and took the top two numbers divided by 2, took the bottom two numbers divided by 2. Now what you're asking is this dimension right here doesn't match the actual mid of these two. So the reason is because it kind of depends on what you want to control the sketch. So right here we have the P, which is defined, so that's a good number to have. And then what the Fusion program is doing is actually using the tip thread here to as a uh, dimension that they want to keep, rather than having the actual dimension here. So just to kind of show you, there's the P2 and the P2. So if we made this one a driven dimension and take this one off of a driven dimension, we could then do 8.994 plus 8.862 over 2, and then I'll bump that one up to 0.78. So then that's out of this tolerance, but it's now in the middle. So whether or not you want to keep this at 0.75, it'll have to drive that. So you can't have one or the other. This is basically an over-constrained sketch. So you kind of have to pick your battle on which one you want to control. Similarly, if we wanted to make this one P2 or P over 2, it's going to kick out this dimension to 62. So you can keep your major, major and minor and the mid pitch, but it's going to change your angle. So depending on where your tolerance is, you can either change your angle or keep these all in line. So something's got to give. So it is an over-constrained sketch as far as the threads go, but the result that you're actually finding is that this one is then a driven dimension. This one is locked in at 60. So then the outcome is 8.876, just like you're finding. So it is calculating it correctly. It's just using the tip right here as the defined one that they want to specify and control, rather than the actual pitch diameter. So whether or not that's correct for you, if you want to hold the tip of this or the pitch diameter, but that's kind of an explanation of how it's going and what's happening. So hope that helps.